So this is 2019 BMW X5. My rear view backup camera stopped working. It was only showing a gray screen. The way to fix it is put your gear into reverse. Then when you see what's supposed to be an image of your rear view camera, but you will see a blank screen, push your iDrive dial to the left to display your menu. Now go to select park sensors only, and then do the same. Open this menu and then click on rear view camera, and your camera should restart and start working. This worked for me. Hopefully it will work for you as well.